exciting collaboration with Varada Sharma Designs. So make sure to check her out on Instagram, and if you're interested in buying some of her unique and adorable designs, check it out at RubberStamps.com. So today I have a really fun boho inspired set to create a minimalist yet chic card. So today I have my stamps. I have a 4x6 card with this nice textured, kind of buttermilky cardstock, some fun pearls, and 2 acrylic blocks. To channel my inner boho artist, I do have a couple of ink tones: Sepia, Lighthouse, Seafarer, and Sundazed. These are all from Ranger Archival Inks. With that said, I do have a blending sponge today. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of color around the outer edge of my kind of creamy cardstock so it's not totally flat. So with that said, let's get into it. Nope. And here we are. These are really fun and seamless patterns, so you could add the swirls and floors to this rainbow effect to have sort of like a stacking, so it looks like there's longer or shorter or layered. So there's a lot of variety within this, and you get some really nice organic shapes with an additional ellipse. So I'm going to start with these 3 right here, and I'm going to alternate the colors that I'm using onto the middle of my card. But I think I'm going to add just a little bit to this cardstock. I'm going to go in with Sepia and my sponge. And I am just gonna hit this with a little bit of glue so that when I'm blending, it's not flying all over the place. Just put that like that. I really like doing this kind of gradient effect on the textured cardstock because you really start to pick up all the little divots and crevices of the paper, and it just gives it a little extra texture. All right. I do want to leave this middle part open so that it's not totally diluted, and that way my colors as well will still have a good pop. And you could have it be kind of off-center, wibbly-wobbly, or just boom, 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 as straight as you can. I think I'm actually going to try that. I'm going to leave a little on the bottom for my sentiment. There we go. And this just gives it a little bit more of a distressed feel, which I'm a fan of. I'm gonna go in with that second smallest one, and I'm just gonna keep stacking. I dipped into Seafarer and a little bit more on there. There we go. There we go. All right, last color, Sun Dazed. And then with Jet Black. I'm going to attach now. Flip this over. Oops. So at this point, I'm going for a hyper minimal boho inspired card. Something simple with organic shapes and not too much detail. On the flip side, you can purchase your own Varada Sharma boho inspired stamp sets from us at RubberStamps.com and create your own masterpiece. As always, we would love to see what you will create next, so please make sure to hit us with a hashtag #StampWithUs. Thank you for joining and enjoy today.